Have you ever read any of Gay Hendricks' work, The Upper Limit Problem?
I've heard of him. I haven't checked out his book.
Yeah, he talks a lot about the upper limit problem, that a lot of people, when they, and so does people like T. Harv Eker, when they rise above what they're used to, of course, the thermostat wants to bring them back down, and we have to learn to allow ourselves to succeed. I remember Carl Wolf, who was my mentor, my main mentor, would say that responsibility equals freedom. And then I said, that didn't quite jive with me. I would sit with it and go, no, whenever I have a lot of responsibility, I want to dump it. And then I had to add, my ego had to add the word, well-managed responsibility equals freedom. Because poorly managed responsibility equals prison is what I was thinking to myself, right? The dark side and the light side of that idea. And once I saw that, I was like, wow, I started looking at all these people that were very successful in flow state with massive amounts of responsibility, like Branson, and really empowering others to manage it, be part of it. And then I saw the freedom they had in life. Windsurfing every morning. Beautiful. And I love everything you're saying, though. It just sounds like such a beautiful overlap to that idea.